Now, I talked about doing canvas prints a while back, and you guys gave me some great feedback. So I set up a site, put a few canvas prints on there, and I ordered one for myself to make sure of two things. One, the quality is good, and two, it didn't take 10 years to get here. Well, when I got the print, I was really impressed. The quality is really fantastic. It didn't really lose any kind of details in the digital imaging to the transfer to the canvas or any of that stuff. And on the back end of that, it also only took 8 days, I believe, to get here. So I was looking forward to somewhere between 7 and 10 and really good quality, and I think that's fantastic. So I decided to do what YouTubers do, and I have this 24 by 18 canvas that I'm going to give away. We're going to give it away on February 27th at 6 p.m. So it's about 2 weeks from the day I'm going to put this video out. I'm putting this video out on the 13th of February, and you will have till the 27th to follow the direction. Here's the thing, I'm not going to give you the details here. And it's, of course, it's because I want to push you to the website. So there is a link in the description. It is actually right at the top of the description. And I'm going to put the link pinned at the top of the comments section as well. So if you go down to the description or the comments section, the link to the information to get signed up, how to increase your chances, and all that stuff for this canvas print are right there. Just a heads up, if you actually go to the Canvas gallery and you start looking at the prints because you can't wait and you're impatient and you want to purchase one of the prints, be my guest. I don't have a lot on there right now. I think we have 4 canvas prints right now because great pictures take time to go out and get and edit and do all of these things and then put them up on the website. So I will be adding to them as we go. You can always shoot me an email at villagesvids@gmail.com or papapineapples@gmail.com. Either one will work. Shoot me a video or put a comment in the comment section that you want to reach out, and I'd be happy to do something for you. I'll be doing some of the squares. We're going to do some of the new neighborhoods and maybe some landmarks down there. We will also be doing wildlife and some night shots as well that you'll be able to check out, but you got to stay tuned because that'll take some time, and it'll take some time to develop all this stuff. The plan is to do these giveaways every month from here on out, at least for the short term, if not the very long term. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how it all works out and giving you my stuff. I will see you soon in the next video that I put out.